If you are a developer diving into the world of cloud computing, Azure has so much to offer, and it can be overwhelming to know where to start. But today, I'm here to simplify things. I'm going to walk you through top 5 Azure services that every cloud developer absolutely needs to know. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know which services are going to save you time, money. So let's dive right in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And these 5 services are the backbone of countless cloud projects, from small startups to enterprise level applications. Whether you are building apps, handling data, or running complex machine learning models, these tools will make your job so much easier. So let's start with number 1. First on the list is Azure App Service. If you're developing a web application, this is a must. With Azure App Service, you can deploy web apps, APIs, mobile backend super fast. It supports multiple languages if you're doing Java, .NET, Node.js. So it has got built-in scaling, so it can handle multiple requests at the same time without you having to worry about or having to change anything. It has CI/CD pipelines and so much more. Of course, this is the high-level things that I'm going to talk about. All right, moving on to number 2 on the list is Azure Functions. This serverless computing service, which is perfect if you need to run your code without having to manage any infrastructure. It's ideal for event-driven tasks like sending notifications, processing files, or database changes, or responding to database changes, etc. Just upload your code and Azure handles everything for you, including scaling. It's cost effective because, let's face it, you only pay for what you use. So if you're looking to make your app more responsive and cost effective, Azure Functions is the way to go. Now let's talk about number 3, which is Azure Cosmos DB. This is a fully managed NoSQL database that is designed for high availability and low latency. It's perfect for modern applications where data consistency, things like speed and reliability are key. And I'm sure which is really important in projects. So Cosmos DB is globally distributed, so your data is instantly available to users anywhere in the world, be it Asia, Europe, or America. And the best part, it offers different consistency models, so you can balance performance and accuracy based on your app's need. So I must say this is a game changer. So if you're building an app that needs quick access to data on a global scale, Cosmos DB is the way to go. All right, on to number 4, Azure DevOps. This is a biggie and one of my favorites. Every developer should know this tool if they want to streamline their development process. Azure DevOps offers a complete set of DevOps services: source control, pipeline, automated testing, and artifacts management. You can set up automated builds, run tests, and deploy directly to production, all in one place. So it can integrate with tools like GitHub, Docker, Kubernetes. You're all covered. So Azure DevOps is a great way to bring all the efficiency and really make things automated, and to give it a workflow kind of a model, so you don't miss a thing. And of course, I've only talked about Azure DevOps from a very high level because there can be a hour-long video on what DevOps is. A proper video can be dedicated to this very topic about what Azure DevOps is. So this is, of course, just me talking about the essential 5 services that you absolutely need to know in Azure. So DevOps is one of the 5. So last but not least, Azure Cognitive Services. If you want to add AI capability to your app without building everything from scratch, this is a must. Azure Cognitive Services gives you API for speech recognition, language understanding, complex vision, and much more. Imagine being able to add facial recognition, sentiments analysis, or language translation to your apps in a matter of minutes, let's say. It's all accessible through simple REST API, so you don't need to be an AI expert to get started. Well, speaking of AI, we all know that AI has taken the world by storm. Because I mean, if you are in this field, you ought to know how AI works. So this is definitely a must-have. So there you have it. The top 5 Azure services every cloud developer should know. So to wrap up, Azure App Service, Functions, Cosmos DB, DevOps, and Cognitive Services. These tools will make your life as a cloud developer so much easier. Whether you're building, deploying, or managing apps. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cloud content. So let me know in the comment which Azure service you're excited to try, or you're already probably using it in one of your projects. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.